Hello, I'm Noah Nerd, and I thought it'd be an interesting video just to showcase my game CubeGen 3.0, which is the game which is released on itch.io. What I'm going to try and do in this video is just try and beat every single difficulty level, easy, normal, hard and insane, and see how easy, normal, hard, or indeed insane it will be to do so. So the basic idea of the game is you have to collect these energy boxes, the sort of blue energy texture on it. Difficulty modes are maximum boxes 50, 200, 500 and 800. So each time it generates randomly amount to the maximum based on those numbers. So let's start with easy. So we'll go easy. This should be pretty easy. Okay. We've got 4 boxes there, I can see them all already. It's really easy. The first one. Second one. I want to avoid these negative boxes as well, but it's pretty easy in this mode to be frank. And that's that. That was easy. There's 40 boxes. Very easy. Normal mode. Let's try normal. So there's a maximum of 200, 131. So we've got 13 boxes here. I'll have to find. Oh, a little bit of a bounce. This is a bit harder. Avoid these crosses. Otherwise, everything's quite active at the minute as well. It's good to really line it up to get to it. Okay, let's go here. Get this one. There we go. This is sort of just like playtesting as well, because I'm probably still going to tweak bits and bobs here and there. So if anything breaks, it's sort of interesting for me as well, just to test the actual how hard it is and the tweaking things. I mean, because of the randomness, it can vary in difficulty even within each difficulty mode. Because this could be a maximum of 200, so this is like, I guess, mid on the normal one, or average because it's 131. Could sometimes be a bit harder. There we go, I've got 6, almost got them all now, so I've got 5 more to go. You can see 2 here, so I've got 3 soon to go. Let me pick you up. Get that one. Avoid those ones. There's always the last few which are difficult because you have to really, I mean, the cubes you have to collect sort of blend into the background, which is a gameplay mechanic, I guess, because it makes it a bit harder to tell where they are, I suppose. That was a design choice, I think, consciously. Where are these last 3? They're around here somewhere. I just need to sort of start scoping around. Oh, I think I saw one. No. This is where it starts to get difficult, is when you're on to the last ones and you start getting frustrated as well in some ways if you can't find them. Actually, in an earlier version they were much smaller, the generation, but I set a minimum scale for the randomly generated sizes and the win boxes, the energy boxes eventually. Where are these last ones? I can't see them. Aha! I've got just under halfway through. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. I haven't got much time left actually, I've only got 2 minutes. Uh-oh, it's getting to, the time's going on a bit now. Where is the other one? I have to have a beady eye to find them sometimes, especially when it gets to the lesser, because they're less randomly bunched now, they're more spread out. So I've only got 2 left, which is good, at least I suppose. Oh, I think I saw one. No, that's a negative one. Ah, there's one there. There we go. That one's a bit of a smaller one. One last one to go. Oh, come on. Just one last. And I can bring home the bacon on the normal mode. And I've one of my own creation. On normal at least. Where are you? Needle and haystack. So there should be 13 here. So there should be 1 left. somewhere. Where are you? Ah, I've not got much time left. No, and this is something I need to fix. Actually, the music stops after well, 2 minutes, which is something I'm looking to fix later. Where is this box? Come on. Ah, come on, I've only got like a minute or so left, a minute and a half or something. On to hard. You may wonder why it's daylight now, and it's because it's the next day. I got interrupted after just completed the normal mode. So anyway, let's do hard. This will probably take significantly longer. There's a maximum of 500 boxes. I have to collect 50 energy cubes. So 42. You can see a lot. Let's get this one. Let's fly down a bit, zoom down. Fly up. Ah! Maneuver a bit. It's probably take quite a while. I've beaten this mode once before, but it takes quite a while just to get those last few like before, I guess. So, oh, come on. Yeah. Stylish. Still 37 cubes left. Oh, in this mode as well, it becomes a bit more harder to avoid the red ones because there's more boxes. It's the chances of bumping into the negative energy boxes becomes a lot more basically. I think that comes into play a bit more in hard mode. I'm not locked into any yet, but I've had a few close shaves. Yeah. 32 left. I'm going through these quite fast though. I'm almost done half now. Not far off. Not doing too bad. Quite a good time. I've never beaten this game on Insane, so it should be easy to see. I've not really tried that much, but I'll play test it that much. 23. 23 left. There was one over there. 2 over there. Good. Quite a few now. It's quite a few bunched together. 18 left still, so still quite a lot left, but going through them quite fast. Though it's always the last few which are going to be annoying. It's usually like it takes about 2 minutes to find the last one when you get to that point. So 15 left. Get in there. There we go. Nice. Not that many left now. Quite a lot of time, still got 7 minutes. I don't know if I need to modify the time limit on the hard mode. Let's see, too forgiving on the time limit. Possibly. Maybe I need to make it like for the times it by 2. Whereas it should probably be times by 1.5 or something. Huge created. Okay, let's concentrate still. That's where the music cuts out. I still need to fix that. There we go. It's 2. Yeah, the figures they'd be lower down. Most of the ones further up, so it makes sense. Where are you? I've only got that 10, so not too many. Okay, not bad. That's just been over about 3 minutes or something. Shit, where's this inverse? Oh, there's one there. Okay, you can see just one in the distance. Thank God. There we go. Yeah. Insane mode, which is going to be hard. If that one was hard, then this is going to be really hard. It's 800 boxes. Let's go. It even takes a while to boot up with this one. There you go. See, like it's. I've never tried beating on insane mode as well, so we'll collect 70 boxes. One first of many. This should be a bit harder as well with the negative energy boxes, I guess. 66 left. Maybe in a way it'll be easier though, because they might be more clumped together. I don't know. Because I've not really tested it a great deal. But I've not tried to beat it on this mode yet. It's just the hardest of the hard. Come here, you. Right. Two together in a pair. Not doing too bad so far. No. Still got 53 left, so we've still got the same amount that was collected in the last hard mode. Left, so almost halfway through now, which is good. Halfway through. There's a lot down here, clumps actually. See them all come together. find them. So I've been beaten by insane mode basically. It's just insane. Oh well. I don't think I'm gonna beat it. I can't find anything. So I think I'll just leave it at that. It's just I've had a few ideas about how to improve it. Gameplay, doing gameplay tests is always interesting and good to do, and gives you an idea of just how it is to play as a game. So yeah, no, I know.